Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Apple iPhone 12 release date, price and specs latest leaks. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. iPhone 12 lineup expected to arrive this month, and after months of leaks, what exactly do we know about Apple's upcoming smartphone? Most important features you should know about Apple's next iPhone. iPhones will feature an overhaul design similar to that of the iPhone 4, with a square-edged stainless steel frame between two pieces of glass, evocative of the design language of recent models of iPad Pro and iPad Air. The iPhone 12 Pro models are expected to come in a new navy blue finish, which will replace the midnight green color that was introduced as an option for the iPhone 11 Pro. The blue will likely be the same shade as the new blue Apple Watch Series X. The iPhone 12 models could come in light blue, violet, and light orange, among other colors. Apple is expected to offer 4 iPhones in 3 different sizes, each with a unique name. A 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, a 6.1-inch iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, and a 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. 5.4 inches is smaller than the current 5.8-inch iPhone 11 Pro, instead being much closer to the size of the iPhone 8, while 6.7 inches is bigger than the current 6.5-inch iPhone 11 Pro Max. All of the iPhones in the 2020 lineup will support it. There is a possibility that only the high-end 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max will feature faster Wave 5G technology in certain territories that can take advantage of it, with the other models having slower but more widespread sub-6 GHz 5G. Though Apple is expected to continue offering both Pro and non-Pro iPhones in 2020, all of the devices are believed to come equipped with OLED displays this year, with Apple doing away with LCDs for its iPhone lineup. This will allow for richer colors and true blacks. Until now, OLED has been reserved for high-end iPhone models. The A14 Bionic Chip in the iPhone 12 will reportedly focus on speeding up artificial intelligence and Arkansas tasks. The A14 Bionic premiered in the iPad Air 4, and Apple says the chip is 40% faster than the A12 Bionic, with a 30% faster GPU. This is equivalent to a 16% faster CPU and an 8.3% faster GPU compared to the iPhone 11's A13 Bionic processor. The iPhone 12 Pro models are expected to have a LiDAR scanner on the rear, the likes of which first for enhanced augmented reality experiences and enhanced photographic capabilities. The LiDAR scanner in the iPad Pro uses reflected light to measure the distance from the sensor to surrounding objects that are up to 5 meters away and is essentially able to map the environment at the photon level at nanosecond speeds. The rumored scanner in the iPhone is likely to work similarly, if not identically. Throughout the iPhone 12 rumor cycle, there have been endless mixed rumors on whether Apple will implement 120Hz ProMotion displays in the iPhone 12 lineup, but reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has said that the iPhone 12 models will not support a 120Hz refresh rate due to battery life concerns. Instead, ProMotion display technology is expected to be introduced in 2021 after iPhones are updated with lower power LTPO display technology, which is also a rumor we heard earlier this year when doubt began to be cast on 120Hz displays in this year's lineup. Apple is also expected to stick with the Lightning connector on the iPhone 12 instead of swapping over to USB-C storage space on the iPhone 12, and iPhone 12 mini models will start at 64 GB, with Apple also offering 128 GB and 256 GB storage options as an upgrade. The iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max could start at 128 GB of storage, with upgrade options for 256 GB and 512 GB. All iPhone 12 models are expected to ship without earpods or a power adapter in the box, according to a range of reports. Rumors indicate the cuts have been made because of the higher cost of 5G components, but environmental concerns are also a factor. An alleged rendering of a box insert for the iPhone 12 depicts a thinner box with room for just a cable, an iPhone, and paper inserts, but no space for a power adapter or earpods. While Apple is rumored to be eliminating the power adapter from the iPhone 12 boxes, the company may introduce a new USB-C to Lightning cable with a more durable braided design. It is unknown if all iPhones released in 2020 will get the new braided cable, as in 2019, a USB-C to Lightning cable was limited to the higher-end, pricing on the iPhone 12 could start at $649 this year, which would be the lowest price that Apple has charged for an OLED iPhone. The 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini could be priced at $649, the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 at $749, the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro at $999, and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max at $1,099. October 13 for the official unveiling of the iPhone 12 lineup. The rumor implies that pre-orders could begin on October 16th, with a launch logically following on October 23rd. If there is an October 13 event followed by an October 23 launch, we may not see all of the new iPhone 12 models at the same time. Rumors have suggested that we should expect a staggered launch with some iPhone models coming out in October and others coming out at a later date, perhaps in November. It is likely that the 5.4 and 6.1-inch low-cost iPhones will be available first in October, followed by the Pro models at a later date due to supply and production constraints. There's some confusion ahead of the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well, having been said, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.